When you're doing research, it's important to not only find a relevant scholarly article, but to make sure that the research you're reading is current. Otherwise, you might be missing an important development in the field. Luckily, there's a way to check for more recent related research. Say that 10 times fast. Step 1. Find an article on your topic in a library database like JSTOR or ProQuest One. Next, copy the article citation and paste it into Google Scholar's search box. That's scholar.google.com. Hit enter and click on Cited By. Your results are articles that cited the original article. You can refine your results further by searching keywords. First, click Search within Citing Articles, and then add your keyword to the search box and hit enter. If you've linked Beloit College's library catalog with Google Scholar, you will see how to access these resources through our library. If you haven't, have no fear, we have a video on it. Remember that we can always interlibrary loan any articles we don't currently own. Have any questions about Google, interlibrary loan, or scholarly research? Contact us at libref@beloit.edu or through the Ask a Librarian tab on the library's website. Happy searching!